In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho campaigns with Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate the right integration in Zoho's marketplace. Review the required permissions and complete the installation with confidence. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to Zoho CRM with an account that has permission to install extensions and that pop-ups aren't being blocked during the process. To begin, open Zoho CRM and click the Marketplace icon. This opens the Extensions Marketplace, where you can browse and connect tools that work alongside your CRM. In the search bar, type Campaign. This filters the results to email marketing and related integrations, so you can quickly find what you need without scanning through unrelated apps. From the filtered results, select Campaign Monitor for Zoho CRM. Clicking it opens the extensions detail page where you can see what the integration does, the modules it touches, and the permissions it requests. It's a good idea to skim this overview so you understand how data will sync between systems and which parts of your CRM will be affected. When you're ready, click Install. The installer may prompt you to choose who gets access, such as all users or specific profiles. Pick the option that fits your organization's policy. You'll then see a checkbox related to agreeing to the terms. Select the checkbox to acknowledge you've reviewed and accepted them. This is standard for marketplace extensions and ensures you understand the conditions under which the integration operates. Click. Install again to proceed. You'll be presented with consent screens that cover legal and data processing requirements. Check the box indicating that you agree to the terms of service. After that, check the box authorizing Campaign Monitor to access and process your data as required for the integration to function. Take a moment to review the listed permissions. They typically include access to contacts, leads, and campaign-related information needed to sync lists and track engagement. Once you've confirmed those items, click Continue to install. Zoho CRM will complete the setup and register the extension. After installation, you should see the extension listed under your installed apps in the Marketplace area of CRM. If your organization follows strict access controls, consider limiting usage to the right teams and documenting which fields will sync. That's it. You've successfully installed the integration through Zoho's Marketplace, agreed to the necessary terms, and authorized data processing so the connection can operate correctly. If your workflow requires it, verify with your admin or compliance team that the permissions align with company policy before you proceed to configure any additional settings.